Namaste. Very good morning to you, my friends. It's a Monday morning. Had a nice weekend, but back to normal. I'm just thinking what is happening around us. I'm just thinking who is controlling our lives. I'm thinking what is the consequences of what is happening around us. Do you know that there seemed to be a seven-headed dragon which is working simultaneously creating a havoc on the lives of all human beings? Yes, I'm talking of the real fact, not fiction. This is not some kind of phobia or my imagination. Well, this is something what I really felt and what I saw all the time. Let's understand this seven-headed dragon or maybe eight-headed dragons or whatever you want to say. Okay? Put it this way. Who controls the religious aspect of different religion? Who controls Islam? Who controls Christianity? And what have they done to the humanity till date? Ever thought of it? Well, you need to understand what has Islam been doing, by whose control, whose remote control, and what has Christianity done? Enrich the imperialistic power. Now that same imperialistic power don't want Christianity. So now Christians are crying, Antichrist, Antichrist is coming. Hello boss, who made this blunder? Ask yourself. Well, next comes the arms industry. What would they want? Of course they want war. So next comes the bankers. What do they want? They want to escape from all the shit that they made in the economic fronts. The whole chaos in the banking system is done by whom? Well, next comes the media. Don't ask me what it is really doing and who controls the media. Any idea? Who is controlling the media and spreading the nonsense of hate mongering in order to spread confrontation and cull human agenda? Next comes the entertainment. And what is it doing? It wants a whole overdose of sex, violence, fraudulent activities, and literally trying to say life means fight. Be a beast, be an animal. I just don't know what is the morality gone to. Is it becoming actually literally instinct? Or it's just out of fashion now to be a moralist? Next comes your education and your upbringing and your culture values. Who is destroying your upbringing, your culture values, and your lifestyle? Who is literally ruining your lives? No idea. Come on, guys. Just think nicely. Okay? If you look at the whole scenario, somebody is trying to destroy human lives, cull the human beings, bring them to their own manageable levels, and literally wipe you out if you don't agree to them. That's not a myth. That's a bloody truth, my friends. Wake up. I'm not lying. I can see this happening. I can see this coming. Check my Twitter account. From last 7 years, I have been saying this. In fact, more than 7 years. I would say more than even 9-10 years. I have been saying this. They want to kill human beings to bring them for their own manageable levels. Wake up. If you don't wake up on time, you will be finished. No matter who you are, a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Sikh or a Jainism or whatever faith you want to believe. Do you know what is communist? Communist is a deception. It's a dream merchant. It puts a bloody piece of nice sugar, I would say jaggery, on your elbow. You can't lick it, but you can only see it. It says, I will do everything good for the people. And we see in what good they are and what good they have done to the people by running the sweatshop and enriching their own leadership only. Crony capitalism. The two seem to be the same side, two sides of the same coin. So what is crony capitalism and what is communist? Makes no difference. Okay? are the human beings literally getting dragged into the mill and getting killed? That's the point, and that's the question I want to explain and ask to the people. Wake up. Don't be stupid. Somebody wants you to get killed, somebody is pushing you to get killed, and somebody is actually working on it very nicely on all fronts. Be it pharmaceutical, they want disease, so they gave you COVID, right? Isn't it? The arms industry want war, so they gave you. The media wants to propagate and get this two things roll started. They're doing it. My friends, this multiple headed dragon now needs to be slaughtered. And this can only happen with if all the people come together to fight this bloody beast. This beast is going over limit now. Trust me, I know I am being watched. I know I might be even targeted because I am trying to bring the bloody damn truth out. Wake up. Have a nice day. And be very, very honest to your own self as a good human being. Thank you.